In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an MSN email. MSN email is the same as Microsoft email because an MSN account and a Microsoft account are essentially the same. Depending on your situation, there are two ways to create a new MSN email. The first is if you already have a Microsoft account and want to add a new email to it. The second is if you want to create an entirely new account along with a new email. First, let's cover how to add a new email to an existing Microsoft account. Start by going to the website account.microsoft.com. Once you're on the home page, click on the profile icon at the top right-hand corner of the screen. From the drop-down, click on My Microsoft Account. This will take you to your account dashboard. On the left-hand side, click the three horizontal lines to expand the menu. Choose the second option, which is Your Info. Once on the Your Info page, scroll down until you find the section called Account Info. Here, click on the option labeled Sign In Preferences. You'll now see your current and primary email address listed. To add a new one, click on Add Email. You'll be asked whether you want to add an existing email address or create a new one. Type the desired email address into the field provided and then click on Add Alias. Your new email will now be linked to your Microsoft account, and you'll be able to use it for sign-in purposes. Now, if you don't yet have a Microsoft account and you want to create a new MSN email from scratch, go to the same website, account.microsoft.com. Click on your profile icon at the top right and then choose Sign Out. Once signed out, click the Create an Account option. Enter your preferred MSN or Microsoft email address, make sure it's unique, and then click Next. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup, including setting a password, entering your name, and providing your date of birth. Once you finish these steps, your new MSN email account will be successfully created.